Predicting price movements for Jupiter, Tecker, and Duke is certainly of great interest, and we're also looking at the cost of market Cabra based on the data from the very last day. It's quite noteworthy that the second most sought-after token right now is Duke, and there are some really significant reasons behind its popularity, or rather, very good reasons, because it's fundamentally a token that is absolutely exploding in value. Now, I myself am a holder of some Jupiter tokens. Not all of them, of course, but a portion of them, and I did take a position. Naturally, when a token begins to ascend, it's crucial to establish a position, to buy as it's moving upwards. Those individuals who advocate for buying during a significant downturn, well, if you're not a seasoned trader, the correct approach is to buy as the price is climbing, and then when it reaches its peak, you exit your position. So everything that trends upwards, it propels you higher, much like a ladder in a game you're playing. It lifts you up the next rung, and when you reach the summit, you disembark and allow the momentum to naturally subside. Therefore, we shall now turn our attention to Jupiter, and I will conduct an analysis of it. I'll explain precisely when I entered my position, and I will be sharing this valuable insight within my Signal group as well, where all the members with me, we're around 360 people I believe, are likely already initiated in this trade. So without wasting any further time, let's delve into Jupiter. We're going to switch to the 4-hour chart to truly grasp our current dynamic. As you can observe right here, the price has been descending. The indicator is falling and then rising. We're seeing some red. And the critical question becomes, where is the reversal point? It's precisely when the indicator begins to turn upwards. That is where the entry opportunity presents itself.